how to change alarm tone on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to change the alarm tone on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Head over to your clock app. So go to the alarms option on the bottom, and then you can either set an alarm by tapping on the plus icon on the top right, or you can just click on any of the alarms that you have already set, and then you can see the sound option right there. Tap on it, and here you'll see a list of sounds that you can pick from. You can just tick on it and listen to the preview and then change your alarm tone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.